Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush guru. It is December 15th, 2025. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day and for another crazy cloud formation, which must mean it's a snore day. I'm going to use the word snore and see if I can nail this down. Come on, be snore today. Be snore. No, it's not snore. We got an O. That's all we got is an O. So let's see. We can try that maybe with R-S-T-L-N-E. Wow, I'm amazed each time. We use so many good letters with that word. That's why I think it's going to show up soon. But even though we start with good letters, we did not get any of those good letters. Our other vowels are A, I, U, and sometimes Y. So, I kind of want to try total, but that would be using a T twice, and I don't know if there's a T in there at all. I also kind of want to try toily, but I don't think that's a word. I have to try it now. It's not going to be a word. Oops. Toily. Yeah. I'm not going to do total. What am I going to do? I could try title, but it doesn't put the O in anywhere. But it does give me other letters. Maybe I can still try something with an... Let's try a Y here and an O here. What if we try... I could try moldy or multi if multi is a word. That would get the T and the L and the O where I want it. I'll try an M and Y. And if it's not that, if that's not a word, I'll try moldy. Shoot. Okay, fine, moldy. Oh, moldy was better than multi, I think. I still don't know if there's a T in this or not. All right, so let's figure this out. We know where the O goes, and we got the Y. Those were both placed right where I wanted, right where I thought they would be. Well, of course, if it's a Y, it's likely to be placed there. But now we have... Oh, I wanted it to be godly, but we've used up the L. I'm glad we used up the L. Now I know it's not there. So is the D going to go here or here? If we put the D here, it could be doggy. It could be doggy. It could be what? Maybe it's doggy. If we put the D here and maybe even here, it could be toddy. I think it'd be doggy before it'd be toddy. Oh gosh. I think we need more help. Or should I just go with doggy? Should I do it? Oh, I don't think so. We've got two different options, and those aren't all of the options. I did not do a good job of figuring this out. That doesn't go there, and that doesn't go there. Well, it can't. We could put a D here, but we would have to put something else there. So it can't be toddy. It could be dodgy. Oh, that's a good one. It could be dodgy. Doggy or dodgy? Oh, I think it's more likely to be dodgy than doggy. And more likely to be doggy than toddy because toddy doesn't work. Oh my goodness. What else could it be? Podgy, fodgy, kaji? It could be kaji. Oops. It could be kaji. Now dodgy and kaji are both my picks. Oh my goodness, what do I do with this? If I tried doggy and it weren't there, it would tell me that it's dodgy, right? Because I'd get the D and I'd get the G. If I tried dodgy and it's not there, I would get the D and the G, and I would think that a G goes there. If I try, but I wouldn't. If I got everything except the D, would I know it's Kaji? I probably would. If I try Kaji and it's not there, I would know that the D is placed here, so I would think it's doggy. I don't know what to do. And if it's none of those, I wouldn't be surprised because I don't think I've done a good job of sussing this out. It could be Dobby. That makes me sad. It could be Docky. I don't think so. I think I have to go with dodgy. I'm going to go with dodgy. It's a little bit dodgy, but I'm going to try it anyway. Because I just thought, well, what if I do Docky? Then it could have a C, and then I'm thinking, no, but then I don't know if it's dodgy or doggy, and I just think this is the best choice. Oh my goodness. I am stunned it was that. I am stunned. I thought I really messed myself up. Okay. I don't think I examined everything very well. I just like the word dodgy. It's a good word. I'm going to switch over now to my Quordle. I'm going to put in 4 standard words. That'll give me 20 unique letters. And then hopefully, with my 5 remaining tries that I haven't used up quickly, I'll be able to find the 4 words. So I'm going to try fishy, budge, clown, tramp, look at all that green, biddy. It's probably biddy. Can't be a B, an I, or a Y in there. A Q, a J, a K, a Z, an X, a V, biddy. I feel confident enough. Okay, and then this is probably cache, C-A-C-H-E. The A has to go here, so what are we going to put there? We could put another C, another H, another E doesn't work. And none of those work, so I think it's cache. Throw, it looks like throw. T, H could go here, R could go here, O could go here, W could go here. Throw. And then an A here. It's not slain. It's not nails. The I doesn't go there, and the L does. Oh, snail. There it is. S could go here. N could go here. A, I could go here. L could go here. Just had to switch around those 2 consonants, and that is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.